think at the end of it, the cost of poor branding is the cost of your dream, right? I think it costs you your dream. If you look at from your dream, from the idea to it's that loss. We often think, no, it's a loss of sales. It actually isn't. Loss of sales, yeah, you'll start another business. But as an entrepreneur, you pour everything into your business. You pour your family, you pour your time, you pour your soul into it. And you cannot replace that ever. And I take it that far. I know it's a bit hectic, but it truly is. When you think of it in that respect, I think you'll be more intentional when you do your branding, that this is your dream, this is your hopes. And that is the cost of poor branding for me, outside of the monetary and the commercial loss.